If you're looking to improve your computer's cooling system, the Enthusiast CPU Thermal Compound offers a premium solution. Made with zinc oxide, this thermal paste is designed to optimize heat transfer, keeping your CPU and GPU temperatures noticeably lower during intense use. What sets this thermal compound apart is its ultra-low thermal impedance. Compared to standard thermal pastes, it reduces CPU temperatures effectively, helping your system run cooler and more efficiently. That means better performance and potentially longer hardware lifespan. Applying the compound is straightforward thanks to the included stencil and spreader. These tools take the guesswork out of the process, ensuring an even, precise layer on your CPU cooler. Even if you're new to PC building, you'll find it easy to get the job done right. XTM50's low viscosity formula is designed to fill microscopic gaps and abrasions between your CPU and cooler. This tight contact maximizes thermal conductivity, so heat moves away from your processor faster. It's a subtle difference that makes a big impact on cooling performance. Durability is another strong point. This high-stability liquid compound won't dry out, crack, or change consistency over time. Once applied, it maintains peak performance for years, saving you from frequent reapplications and ensuring consistent cooling. Safety is also a priority. The compound is non-conductive and contains no volatile compounds, making it safe for both you and your PC components. You won't have to worry about accidental shorts or harmful fumes during installation. Users across the United States praise this thermal compound for its ease of use and effective cooling. One new builder mentioned how the paste spreads naturally under the cooler, simplifying the application process and keeping their PC running comfortably in the high 60s to low 70s Celsius range. If you want reliable, long-lasting thermal performance without the hassle, this Enthusiast CPU Thermal Compound is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooling setup and experience what better heat transfer can do for your system.